In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge in your HP DeskJet 2900 series printer. First step is to switch on the printer, and you will see normally this door is closed, so you just have to open it and then press this door down. Ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. To remove the ink cartridges, press them down. So it will little bit hard. Once you press it, it will come out. Take the new ink cartridge. This printer uses HP 68 series. That's the name of the ink cartridge. Now remove the seal from bottom and then place the color ink cartridge here. Slide it in, hold the printer and push it in. You will hear a lock sound and this chip will go forward like this. So you just have to place it here and push it in. Lock this door. It may be possible your printer prints the alignment page. You just have to scan that for better print quality. So that's the replacement of the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.